how to get a business license in New York. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a business license in New York. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, choose a business structure such as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Registering with the New York State Department of State is essential for LLCs and corporations. If you plan to operate under a different name, register a doing business as DBA name with a county clerk's office. This is necessary for businesses operating under a name that differs from the owner's legal name. Apply for an IN with the IRS if your business structure or plans require it. This number is essential for tax filing and payroll purposes. Some businesses in New York require a general business license. Check with your local county or city clerk's office to find out if this applies to you, as regulations differ across the state. Depending on the type of business, you may need additional licenses or permits. For example, health related businesses, restaurants, and real estate agencies have specific licensing requirements. Ensure your business location meets New York zoning requirements, especially if you're opening a physical storefront. You may need zoning approval from your local municipality. Submit your application and pay fees. Complete the required applications and submit them along with the appropriate fees. Fees vary depending on the type and location of your business. Pass background checks if required. Some business licenses, such as those for liquor sales or security services, require a background check before approval. Receive your business license. Once approved, you will receive your business license, allowing you to operate legally in New York. That's all for the video.